आहा आल्दोनान, तुम्ही प्रॉपर्टी अशीच सोदतल्यात, फेन्स घालचे ना तुम्ही? विल यू ऑल नॉट फेन्स इट? तुम्ही दुरीक बांदचे ना थंय? म्हजो असलो भायलो येवन फाल्यां बंगलो बांदतलो, कितें करतले तुमी? सो सेम वे जेन्ना आतां सरकार ऑफिशियली सांगता इन द प्लॅन द कोस्ट इज अंडर एमपीटी, आय एम एमपीटी, द फर्स्ट थिंग आय विल डू, हांव फेन्स घालतलो ओ दुरीक बांदतलो. वॉट डज इट मीन? विल यू एंड युअर चिल्ड्रन बी एबल टू गो टू द बीच? आमी बंद करून उडयलें, प्रॉपर्टी इज मायन. समजली तुम्ही? वॉट इज देर इन दिस प्लेन? 53 kilometers of Goa's coast has come under Mormugaon Portus. So what? Now I will tell the flip side. 1985 पार्लमेंटान आनी एक कायदो पास जाल्लो, ताचें नांव जावन आशिल्लें IWAI Act of India. IWAI, Inland Waterways Act of India. Now what does Inland Waterways Act of India say? जितले nationalized rivers आहात ते, there is an organization which is also known as IWAI, Inland Waterways Authority of India. And this Inland Waterways Authority of India is based in Noida, next to Delhi. They are the owners of these nationalized rivers all over India. They will enact laws or whatever under their jurisdiction. कोण देंवतलो तातून, कितें करपाचें, हूंय ड्रेजिंग करपाचें, what navigation will be done is, they are the owners of that. आमची तर पोंय आसली, आमी कितें म्हणटा, म्हजे पोंयेन देंव नाका, करेक्ट? ही म्हजी पोंय, प्रायवेट पोंय म्हजी. सेम वे तो म्हणटा आपणाचें धरया. In 2016, November 2016, when Mr. Lakshmikant Parshekar was the chief minister, what happened in Goa? He handed over आमचे 100 न्हंयो to the center in the name of nationalization. Which were these rivers? Sal, South Goa, Sal, Mapsa, तुमच्या शेजाराक, which connects I think so to Aldona also? Huh? Mapsa river. So Sal, Mapsa, Shapara, Kumarjua, Zuari and Mandovi, these 6 rivers, we have no right over these rivers. Am I right, sir, legally? These rivers come under the jurisdiction of Inland Waterways Authority of India, Noida. आयज पासून ते इम्प्लिमेंट करूंक ना, कित्याक 2022 इलेक्शन हा, लोकांक तिडो घेतली, म्हज्या दर्यान म्हाका देंवपाक दिना तुमी. That law has been passed, nobody can stop it. In that act which was there, passed in 1985, Inland Waterways Act of India was amended 2016 and ते मातशे amend केले. आणि त्या amendmentan कितें केलें? There is something called appurtenant land. Appurtenant land, आमकांय तितली इंग्लिश येना, लोक अनपढ आदमी हे म्हणून आमी डिक्शनरी ओपन केली, पयली appurtenant land is unlimited land on either side of the river bank. म्हणजे हो पळय तुमची न्हंय आहा, दर्या आहा, I am IWAI, Inland Waterways Authority of India. I want land in the national interest. I want to build some project. I want to put some infrastructure. I will acquire whatever amount of land I want. 50 square meters, 100 square meters, whatever. My national interest hai. Who are you to stop? I will acquire. So what kind of samjalo tumka IWAI? You can acquire on either side of the river bank if it is nationalized. So your river is nationalized. You all have understood what I told is CZMP Kaido Zai. But Goyang, they have put the coast under Mormugaon Portress. Second Kaido, IWAI, which says you can acquire and compulsory acquisition. That means even if you go to court and the government will say this is in national interest, case kattili bhayar udaitale. So दोन कायदे झाले. Third कायदो, you all must have heard. If you all have not heard, don't feel bad. Even the chief minister did not know. जेन्ना ताका हांवें सांगलें 13 तारखेर ऑक्टोबर, दोतोर वो कायदो पास जावंक दिनाका पार्लमेंटान. तुमची बीजेपी हांगा सरकार आहा, सेंटराक बीजेपी सरकार आहा. प्लीज लेटर बरोय आनी सांग गोंया आमचें धाकटुलें, येदोसो गांव आमचो, आनी तुमी तर हें मेजर पोर्ट बील तर पास केलें, देन दे वील बी अ स्टेट विदीन अ स्टेट. वाय स्टेट विदीन अ स्टेट हांव तुमकां एक्सप्लेन करता. द मेजर पोर्ट बील इंट्रोड्यूस जाल्लें टू March, 12th of March 2020, poru, just before the pandemic. Maka isa lockdown started on 23rd. 22nd hour, maka isa trial run halli, 24 hours lockdown. And then after another this, a Prime Minister te thali bili vajoyle, ghanti bhajoyli, and indefinite lockdown kele, which was good. We have no issue with that. Just before the lockdown, on 12th of March, they introduced a bill in parliament. ताजें नांव आशिल्लें मेजर पोर्ट्स ऑथॉरिटी बिल 2020. आनी दोगांच मेंबर्स ऑफ पार्लमेंटांनी ओपोज केले. वन वॉज मिस्टर शशी थरूर, यू ऑल नो, गुड पार्लमेंटेरियन and more known for his English. And second was Saugata Ray from Trinamool Congress, Calcutta. आनी सांगलें तांकां, बाबा तुमी हे मेजर पोर्ट बिल हाडना, you are handing over the coast to all the major ports in India. What will happen to the fishermen community and all the communities, other communities living along the coast? Please send it back to the drawing board. If you all Google, you all will find the words are send it back to the drawing table. Discuss kora te bhadच्या पयली आमकां मार पडटलो. They took it up with the Minister of Shipping, Mansukh Manwadia. तुम्ही जाणो हुकुमत कोणाची चलता? दोन गुजरातीची, correct? Why toy Gujarati Mansukh Manwadia? He rejected. We as Goincho Awaz took up this issue, took up with the Minister for Shipping. We explained to him that Goa is a very small state. And if you hand over 53 kilometers of a coast from Betul to Raj Bhavan, जाल्यार आमचें कांय उरोंक ना. We are dependent on tourism. Mining has failed, closed down. Forget tourism. If तुम्ही तर बीची बंद करशात, hand it over to MPT, which tourist will come? तुमकां दिसता कोण येतलो कसो गोंया? Nobody will come. You cannot go to the beach. Finish. It is, I am MPT, my property, fencing, you'll go to hell. We wrote to him, we wrote to Mr. Francisco Sardina, South Goa MP. We wrote to Mr. Shripad Naik. At that time, Shripad Naik was in Goa, to Manipalan hallo, taka COVID जाल्ले. But we knew to कांय करूंक शकना because तो आपणाच्या सरकाराचेर against वचोंक शकना. And finally, तुमकां खबर आसा, ती 3 farmers bill pass जाल्यान ती तुमकां खबर आहा? At that time, along with the 3 farmers bill, Major Ports Bill 2020 was passed. Bulldozed, not discussed. कोणेच बासाबास करूंक ना ती. And that became Lok Sabhan pass जाले. Ata on 10th of February, it has been passed in the Rajya Sabha. Bulldozed again. So, it has gone to the president for his accent, it will become a law. And what does it say? Major Ports Authority Bill, खूबशी section आहा तातून. I'll try and just, you have the printout? Yeah. ही आमी letter बरयल्ली on 31st July 2020 to the Minister of Shipping. Please amend. Don't scrap it. आमकां खबर आहा scrap करूंक जावचें ना. At least MPT भायर काडा. Because our Goa is very small. In this we have explained. आनी हातून there are 4 sections which are very dangerous, very detrimental to our state. आनी हांव तुका 4 sections ही वाचून सांगता. हातून पळय local body म्हणून बरयल्या, that is the panchayat or the municipality. I will just read out the 4 sections. First section is section 22 subsection 2. All port assets म्हणजे आमचे assets कितें? म्हजें घर, म्हजी property, म्हजी गाडी, bank balance are all my assets. If I have some machinery, it's my asset. So same way, MPT, all port assets shall be used and developed as per the regulation made by the board on that behalf and to the exclusion of any municipal, local or government regulation. There will be a board appointed. Yeah, port trust, major ports are including Mormugao Port Trust, they will have their own board. And there will be board members and they will formulate their own laws, own rules and regulations. which is independent of exclusion of any municipal, local or government regulation. Means local means panchayat. That means we have nothing to do with your panchayat and municipality and state government. We will come with our own rules regulation. Section 22 subsection 3. The board of each development or improving commerce and trade in national interest for which no regulatory license or approval from the state authority shall be required. They will not require any license. I am MPT, I will do what I want. I don't require anybody's license. Section 25. Subject to the rules made under this act, the board of each major port shall be entitled to create specific master plan in respect of any development or infrastructure established or proposed to be established within the port limits. Samjhale tumka? Port limits have come. I am MPT, I will do my own plans, my own master plan, I will do what I want. And such master plan shall be independent of any local or state government regulations of any authority whatsoever. That means even your TCP, town and country planning, plan with Bhairude. Whatsoever, provided that in case of, very important, please listen, provided that in case of any conflict between the master plan created by the board, that means MPT board, and any local authority, that means panchayat, the master plan created by the board shall prevail. Any doubts? That means jo master plan Mormugaon Port Trust kottele will prevail over any existing plans made by the local bodies or state government. And the last one, and I'll wind up, section 26 subsection 2. The power of the board to make regulations under subsection 1 shall be independent of powers of any local authority to make regulations in respect of major port, provided that in case of conflict between the regulations made by the local authority, that means panchayat rule, municipality or state government or TCP, and those made by the board, the regulations made by the board shall prevail. Atun kide common eta amka? We have created a state within a state. MPT will do whatever they want. And ye chief minister sangle ye pass sang dinaka. You will require to take permission to enter MPT. I took a sir munda, a watchman at the gate will stop you. And he told, ye maka khabarus na. He looked visibly, he was anxious. तो पळय म्हणटा भिवपाची गरज ना त्या टायमार तो डायलॉगूच येवंक ना भिलो आनी we had gone well prepared to explain to him, because what is his other answer, famous answer? Study करपाक जाय. Study करपाक चान्सूच दिवंक ना. ताका सगळे डॉक्युमेंट्स एक्सप्लेन केले आनी ब्लॅक एंड व्हायटान दिले. That thing didn't come from his mouth. म्हाका स्टडी करूनी. So he understood. Now you all have understood. First CZMP, second IWAI, now wo kaido pass zala to. Wo kaido superimposed on this coastal zone management plan. That means you have given our course to Mormugaon Port Trust. I am MPT, I will appoint a board, minimum 8 members, can be more. I will come out with my own rules regulation. I will have my master plan. I will bring this infrastructure. I will ensure my Adani and my Jindal will have the last say. Can you all stop it? It is in national interest. You all understood now what is the danger in the plan what has been made for Goa? And या पासत आम्ही हे झूज मांडला. आयज तू काँग्रेसाचो जावं बीजेपीचो जावं एमजीपीचो जावं कोणूय जावं, प्लीज फॉरगेट योर पॉलिटिकल डिफरन्सीस, कम ऑन वन प्लॅटफॉर्म एंड सेव योर गोवा. टुमॉरो ऑन योर डेथ बेड व्हेन द चिल्ड्रन आस्क डॅडी कितें कोत्तालो तूं? ना रे बाबा, हांव काँग्रेसाचो म्हूण वगी रावलो, हांव बीजेपीचो म्हूण वगी रावलो. यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू से. वी विल क्राय एंड डाय देर ओनली. देव बरें.